How to install our heavy-duty full-motion TV wall mount. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 pre-installed bolts and 2 security bars that secure the arm assembly to the main mount body. Separate the arm bracket from the wall plate. Locate the center of the studs and hold or tape the template to the wall in the desired mounting location. Use a bubble level to ensure that the template is level. Mark the center of the studs through the template, then drill the pilot holes. Hold the wall plate to the wall over the holes, check the level once again, and install the mount using the lag screws and washers. Concrete or brick mounting option. Hold or tape the template to the wall in the desired mounting location. Use a bubble level to ensure that the template is level. Mark the center of the holes through the template, then drill the holes on the marked locations. Clear dust or debris from the holes and insert the concrete anchors fully until flush with the wall. Then hold the wall plate to the wall over the holes, check the level once again, and install the mount using the lag screws and washers. Hang the mount arms onto the wall plate. The arm assembly doesn't have to be centered on the wall plate and can be installed to either side if needed. Position the security bars on the back side of the wall plate, align the holes, and reinstall the bolts that were removed in the first step. Select the appropriate size mounting bolt and washer for your TV's mounting holes and verify the length of the VESA bolt is not too long. Attach the VESA brackets to the TV using the selected bolts. Install in the configuration shown here so that the latches are facing the outside edges of the TV. Hang the TV on the wall mount so that the VESA brackets hook onto the top and bottom horizontal bars of the wall mount. Flip the latches up on both VESA brackets, then secure them in place using the security screws. Use the integrated cable management clips and the cable ties to route cables along the mount arm. If necessary to level the screen left or right, slightly loosen the 4 bolts shown here behind the TV, adjust to the desired level, and then tighten the bolts back in place. To tilt the screen, slightly loosen the 4 bolts behind the TV, adjust to the desired angle, and then tighten the bolts back in place.